So this message would be for like a Neil deGrasse Tyson. Still watching your interview with Danica Patrick on Pretty Intense. I think it's a good conversation. And one of the things that got me was the questions that keep you up. I'm also a scientist. Not all scientists are as well known and popular as you are, but things that keep me up are human potential. What can we really do? What is our potential, and are we even close to it? Which I feel we're not. You mentioned one thing about the 1% making a difference as far as between a human and a chimpanzee, I believe. So just 1% of DNA, right, makes a big difference. What about 1% of consciousness? What difference does that make? And I know you mentioned consciousness being something that is on the frontier of things. So not everything, or not everyone that studies the things that are on the frontier are as famous and popular as you as well. So anyway, the whole point of this is I've created what I call the 100-degree challenge, and I want you to check it out. I want you to do a scientific peer review on it. And I'm going to post it right after this. It shouldn't take long. This is just a series of facts, kind of like a frog jumping on a lily pad or a bridge going from one point to another point. At this point, I would just like someone to shoot holes in it and show what's not possible. At that point, because I know it's an internal thing. And the whole point is to show that the possibility exists that we're non-local consciousness experiencing physicality are spiritual beings having a human experience. And I know there's certain things that we can't prove scientifically because they're immeasurable, but you can see the effects of them, right? Science studies the effects of a lot of immeasurable things. So consciousness is one of those things. Like, who is a scientist, right? That's probably the bigger question that we should be asking. Just shooting across the bow. Who knows what happened with the magic of the internet, but these are the kind of things that keep me awake at night, and things that I think about all the time. The human potential and what happens, what's the experience for us all once we begin to really tap into that. Peace.